Legal angel investment is needed because it provides access to justice. Companies, individuals, business owners, insolvency practitioners simply do not have the funds to be able to bring or pursue a meritorious claim. It's becoming more expensive every year, so we provide the funding to enable that litigation to take place.
We pay all the claimant's costs and indemnify him against adverse costs, i.e. having to pay the other side's costs if the case is lost. So he is entirely free of financial anxiety about the cost of litigation. Most claimants who've never been involved in litigation before start out with the belief that they are in the right. As soon as they've started their claim, their opponent will realize that they've got no case and come to the negotiating table. In the real world, that almost never happens.
In order for a claim to be resolved, whether it's at mediation, arbitration, or at court, it'll take anywhere between 2 and 3 years.
There has to be an appreciation at the outset that litigation is war.
In the best possible scenario, a claim would have a 70% chance of success, which would mean a 30% chance of failure. And so it takes very little to have a bad day in court. It can take an email or a witness not being in good shape on the day. It can take a judge not believing the story.
Our typical case involves expenditure of around £500,000, and very often unforeseen circumstances push those costs up. 500 can very quickly become £750,000. 750 can very quickly become £1 million.
There are many benefits of working with Redress. We might be based in Mayfair in central London, but we have a truly global reach. We have the financial wherewithal to support our clients. We have been around for many years and have built a very successful track record of investments in legal claims. We also bring a speedier resolution to the claim because once we get involved, the message to the other side is very clear. This has to be a meritorious claim. If someone else, a professional funder in this case, is ready to put his money behind the claim. We also bring a lot of experience. Litigation is an emotional business. And think of us like a business executive sitting at the table in the board of a startup and being able to serve as a sounding board for the management team. We do not control claims, but we are there to help if we're needed.
Marius has decades of experience as general counsel for a multi-billion-dollar international corporation. Myself, a litigator of 35 years' experience.
I'm passionate about litigation funding. I think it's a new profession, and I think the industry will go from strength to strength. I hope that Redress will help in that process. I know it does help in that process because I've seen it grow from a startup to the company that it is today.